Hello and welcome to Mr. Ivan's virtual classroom. This video is going to be a tutorial of how to find, complete, and save your homework if you are using a flash drive. Okay, I've got another video up that shows you how to do this online, but let's say the internet's down or you don't have internet in your home. That's okay, you can use the flash drive. Now you're going to take your flash drive you got from school, and way in the top right corner above the screen, right by the power button, there's a little hole, same hole that you put for the charger. You're going to plug it in. All right, after you plug it in, you're going to take your finger right below the camera and swipe down. And notice I've got a few things that have popped up. I'm looking for the one that says SanDisk USB drive. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Okay, now I've got a few folders. I've got my audio lessons, my homework, and my video lessons. Now, we're focusing in on that homework one. So let's take our finger and click on the homework button. All right. Now you've got a few pieces of homework for this very first week of school. You've got a baseline group test for reading, another inventory test for math. You've got two religion lessons, one about the birth of Jesus and John announced, and the other one about the birth of John. You've got a science lesson about the common cold, and a history lesson, starting off with creation. Well, since my other video, we did the baseline group test, let's do that again. I'm going to click on it. It automatically opens this app called Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now you see, here's the front page of my test. I'm going to go to the bottom right corner where there's this little blue pencil. I'm going to click on that. Second option says fill and sign. Click on that. Okay. Now, up at the top where it says name, right above it, I've got a few options. There's something that says AB. That means to type on the screen. A check mark, an X, a dot, a line, and a circle. So I'm actually going to press AB, click on the name slot, and see all of a sudden an option pops up with the keyboard. I'm going to write my name on here. Click off of it and see, look, now my name is saved. I'm going to scroll down, and for this reading test it is multiple choice. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the circle method up at the top. Let's do the sample question together. It says, Margot went to the hardware store and blank 3 gallons of paint. I've got navigated, bound, purchased, or trudged. Hey, I think purchased fits. I'm going to read that over. Margot went to the hardware store and purchased 3 gallons of paint. That makes sense. I'm going to take my finger and click on C. Uh-oh, the circle's too big. It's covered C and D, but that's okay because I grabbed a little blue dot and I can make my circle bigger. Nope, I just want C. Good, make it smaller. Click off of it and look at that. It's circled your answer. Okay, now let's say that on another assignment you need to actually type your answer some more. You're not going to have to do any on this test, but look at this. Just when I clicked on the document and my keyboard comes up, I can type my answers out as well. All right, so it's not just circling. You can also write your answers out, and hey, look at that. It actually added that to the document. Pretty cool. All right, now you're going to go through each page of this test and circle the best choice, only one, making sure your circle only covers one. And now I'm going to go up to the top where it says fill and sign and click the blue check mark. All right, great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the dot, 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 up to the dot, 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 and you see all these little stars. That means that's for the premium edition. We actually don't need anything there. But I am going to click way at the bottom where it says print, and it's got a picture of a little printer. All right, now up at the top, you notice that there is no printer connected to this device, which is okay because you're not actually going to print anything. But notice at the top there's this little triangle. Printers, nope, save as PDF. That's what I want to do. I want to save as a PDF. Okay, and now it's showing me my document on tiny little screens. I can see, yep, my name, Ned, is right up there. Hey, the sample question is circled. Uh-oh, the other ones aren't circled yet. I better go back and finish the test. After you do, you're going to press this orange and black arrow pointing down. All right, now a pop-up comes up. It says, Save PDF. The PDF will be saved to the Documents folder in your local storage. Please use the Documents app to view the saved PDF. Great. But this is what I want you to do. Notice where it says Baseline Group Test Grade 5. Click on that. And I actually want you to write your name in there. Maybe put it in all caps so I know who you are. All right, so now I know that this is a baseline group test, grade 5 for Ned. I'm going to hit save. It says your PDF has been successfully saved to Docs. All right, well, how can I get there now? Well, I am going to press the circle, gray circle at the bottom of the screen. And now I'm going to press this orange file folder that says Files. All right. I'm going to press the 3 lines in the upper left and press KFMAWI. That means Kindle Fire, and then it's got a little code. All right, you see that there is a ton of folders on here because there's a lot of different apps that it came on here that actually can't be deleted. But I'm going to go ahead and press Documents. Baseline group test, and look, it says 10:10 a.m. Hey, that's actually just been 3 minutes ago when I worked on this. So I'm going to press on it. It opens it up. Hey, there's my name, Ned. Yep, this is the one I did. All right. Now I'm going to press the little square at the bottom. That's going to show me my page back to my file. I'm going to touch the PDF, the one I just double checked, made sure is my test. Press and hold. Now a blue check mark comes up. Now with that blue check mark, I'm going to go up to the upper right, right underneath the banner where it says ... I'm going to press ... and click Move To. Okay, where do I want to move it to? Not to Downloads. It automatically took me there. Press the 3 lines again. Press SanDisk. Hey, there's my SanDisk files. Go all the way down where it says cancel or move. At the bottom right, press move. It says moving one item. Now it's moved. Great. Now let's just double check that it's made it into the folder. To do that, again, I go up, press the 3 lines, go all the way down to SanDisk. Hey, look, besides my audio lessons, homework, and video lessons, now I've got my baseline group test grade 5 for Ned. Perfect. Now it's on there. All right. So that is how you can save your homework onto the flash drives. It's a little more complicated than the internet version. So if you do have internet, I encourage you to go back to the YouTube playlist and watch that video tutorial. It's a little bit simpler and more straightforward. All right. Have a good day. God bless.